Welcome back to Mahi Renal podcast show.
ये हर गुजराती में रहता है वो. You ask any गुजराती, for us नौकरी means ना करो, don't do it.
Tea or coffee?
Tea.
I like coffee.
Tea. What I don't know, he does amazing. What he does amazing, I really can't do. Oh, I said the same thing twice.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mahi Renal podcast show. आज का ये एपिसोड बिल्कुल रॉ और अनफिल्टर्ड होने वाला है. Pondicherry is a majority Tamil speaking land, rich in culture, deep root and a strong sense of identity. आज मैं पौंडीचेरी के ऐसे बहुत ही कूल और हार्ड वर्किंग स्पेस में हूँ जिसका नाम है द अनपैक हॉस्टल. यहाँ लोग सिर्फ रहने नहीं आते बल्कि दे अनपैक देयर लाइफ, कंफ्यूजन एंड देयर stories. Entrepreneurship is hard. Building solo is harder. But building it together as a partner, that's the real test. So today we are not just hosting a single founder, but we are hosting two mind, one vision. Kavya, Ronak, welcome to Mahi Preneur podcast show.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for inviting us. It's a big thing. हम भी पहली बार कर रहे हैं ये सब.
रौनक गुजराती हैं और बिजनेस इनके ब्लड में है. रौनक, सच बताओ, बचपन में आपने टॉयज बेच के मार्जिन निकाला करते थे ना?
So I guess I started doing small businesses at the age of 9th में. क्या एज के होते हैं अपन? 17-18 years old?
No, much less. 14.
14. By 14 I started selling certain things. Eventually वो अंदर से कीड़ा रहता है. ये हर गुजराती में रहता है वो. You ask any गुजराती, for us नौकरी means ना करो, don't do it.
काव्या, अनपैक का शुरुआत कैसे हुआ? Why and how you chose the name Unpack?
The name actually came to us very randomly. इस पे हमने हमने बहुत टाइम लगाया था to think of what suits this space best, how we can a very simple word that can describe this space well, and the word unpack, as soon as we heard it, just felt right. As soon as we heard the word unpack, we were like, yeah, this is it. This is what we want to build. We want to give people a space. जैसे unpack, when you hear it, where do you unpack? You unpack at home when you're at home, right? So we wanted to give a space that feels very homely, very comfortable, जहाँ पे आके you are able to unpack not just your physical luggage, but your feelings, your emotions. You're able to you disconnect from whatever you're coming from and just be here, enjoy the space. That's exactly what we wanted to do.
Great. Let's deep dive into your journey. बचपन से अनपैक तक का सफर.
So हम दोनों मुंबई से, both of us are born, brought up, lived all our life in Mumbai. We met on a trip. We were traveling separately. We met on a trip in Himachal, Spiti Valley, and we both connected on traveling, right? We realized traveling is what we both individually like doing. We loved the idea of where you can travel and meet people. You meet people, you make plans with those people, you move from there, the whole world is open to you, right? So the idea of making connections during traveling was what brought us together. So after the trip, we said, okay, let's do a trip together. So we came to Pondicherry. तो हम 2023 के February में आए थे Pondicherry हम दोनों. I have been to Pondicherry before, but I wanted to learn surfing, and there's something about Pondicherry that makes you want to come back here, right? So I wanted to come back to Pondicherry. He was seeing it for the first time. We came to Pondi. We planned an entire trip. Pondi, somewhere. We had an entire trip planned, but we liked it so much that we ended up staying here for 15 days. And we had an amazing time. We had such a great time. We stayed at hostels, we did surfing, we did diving, we met people, made plans with those people who are still very good friends with us now. We visited everything, right? We saw whatever there was to do in Pondi, and we had a lovely time. And there was something about the city that made us want to live here longer. ऐसे बस अच्छी vibe है. There is something about it, especially being from Mumbai. It's a refreshing change, the slower lifestyle. People are more chill, people are calm, people aren't rushing. It's by the beach. anytime you're frustrated, you it feels like too much, you go chill by the beach. So a lot about it just made us want to live here for a bit. तो उस टाइम पे हम एक हॉस्टल में रुके थे एंड बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था, ऐसे ही रूफ टॉप वाइब था, वी वर हैविंग फन, मीटिंग पीपल, टॉकिंग टू पीपल. तब मैंने ऐसे मस्ती मजाक में कहा यार हम भी ऐसा कुछ करते हैं. आई सेड इट लाइक अ जोक, आई डिड नॉट मीन इट एट द टाइम, आई सेड इट कम्प्लीटली लाइक अ जोक, बट एंड वी टुक इट like a joke. Back home, back to our jobs, like you already said, we were in our corporate jobs at the time, back to work, but we kept talking about it कि कर सकते हैं क्या. So we started putting our numbers together, our finances together, and it kind of made sense. Now keep in mind हम दोनों का कुछ background नहीं है इसमें, ना hospitality में है ना business में. business चलो उसे रौनक को एटलीस्ट थोड़ा बहुत समझ आता है, मेरा not at all. Like it was very very new to me at that time. So the numbers kind of made sense. We came back to Pondi in the month of April. We started doing our research. We stayed at every hostel in Pondi and Auroville. We started making lists of things we liked, things we didn't like, on season, off season, occupancy prices, जो समझ आ रहा हो, right? Because कुछ भी नहीं पता था. We were starting from literally square one से भी पहले, right? So we started making lists. We started looking at properties. We had to find different ways to find properties as well. We both are not from Pondicherry, nor did we know anyone in Pondi at the time. So we found brokers, we found online listings, we roamed the streets and looked for posters and did everything we could, right? We saw over 30-40 properties before we found this place. 1st of August 2023, we found this place which checked most of our boxes. Within that time, definitely बहुत सारे struggles थे. We almost finalized a property which fell through because of certain reasons and went back home. Then we almost gave up at that point. We said, "नहीं ठीक है, let's come back and give it a new shot." So we came back, did that again, and finally on the 1st of August we found this place. August, September, October, November, and most of December, which is almost 5 months, we were getting this place ready. We had to do most of the things here ourselves because we were on a budget, and more than that, we did not exactly know what travelers would be looking for. We could imagine what we were looking for as a traveler, but we did not know everything right at the beginning, right? So it was a learning process. So initially we had to do a lot of things on our own, take it one step at a time. Also understand about setting up a business here in a new city, the licenses, the legal part of it, all of that. Finally, on the 21st of December 2023, we had our first guest. So now it's going to be 2 years in a week.
Yeah, in a week. Yeah, we're finishing 2 years now.
Yes, we're very excited about that. So,
That's a very insightful journey.
अरे
Ronak, let's talk about how you turn vision into execution. जब Unpack start किया, आपका first non-negotiable business rule क्या था?
In terms of business, you are asking कि इसमें what was non-negotiable for the business.
Yes.
So the one thing what was non-negotiable for me, at least for both of us, was to reach to a point. The research for all the backgrounds and everything was कि not make too much money. That was not the ultimate goal. The first initial non-negotiable was कि at least make what we were making in our corporate jobs. That was first thing कि eventually 1 साल में 2 साल में हमें at least उतना बनाना start कर देना चाहिए जितना हम job में बनाते थे. So that would give us the ledge कि जो lifestyle हम वो पैसों से जी रहे थे, we could do that with the same money doing it over here. So that was the first non-negotiable for us कि कुछ भी हो जाए, because if you are making for example 10,000 50,000 a month, you have that lifestyle set for you, but फिर अचानक से you come back to zero, you won't happen that. So at least to reach to that point कि उतना होना चाहिए तो ही we do it, otherwise we don't do it. That was the first non-negotiable.
हॉस्पिटैलिटी में इमोशंस बहुत होते हैं. आप डिसीजन हार्ट से लेते हो या डेटा से?
इमोशंस, सो व्हेन वी वर ट्रैवलिंग टू हॉस्टल्स, हम जब हॉस्टल्स में घूम रहे थे तब हमें लगा था कि बहुत हैपनिंग सा है ये सब माहौल, बट व्हेन वी एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट तो हमें पता चला कि व्हाट आर द क्रक्स बिहाइंड इट. तो अ लॉट ऑफ डिसीजंस when we started the hostel were emotional. A lot of decisions, like कुछ भी हो जाए, there are many example towards it. जैसे कि for example earlier basic things like we used to host a lot of groups. कि अरे अच्छा पैसा बनेगा ग्रुप्स के साथ, why not to do that, but then eventually we realized that groups are killing the vibe of the hostel. So इमोशन से डेटा पे आना पड़ा हमके कि द रीजन वी हैव बिल्ड दिस हॉस्टल इज फॉर पीपल हु आर ट्रैवलिंग सोलो, उनके लिए वो स्पेस क्रिएट करना है. सो देन वी स्टार्टेड लिमिटिंग एंड इवेंचुअली
कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं दूसरों से.
करेक्ट. तो राइट नाउ इट इज इमोशन एंड डेटा, वी हैव टू बैलेंस इट इन अ वे. कोई डिसीजंस लेने पड़ते हैं तो वी डिस्कस इट थ्रू, तो क्या करना चाहिए एग्जैक्टली, बट नाउ इट इज मोस्टली correct, we are doing it.
We found a balance, I would say, somewhere
we
in
found
between.
the balance, because you cannot be all data all the time or not emotional all the time.
What was your biggest operational mistake and how did you correct the system?
हाँ, सो बिगेस्ट ऑपरेशनल मिस्टेक वाज कि हमें लगा था कि हम सब कर लेंगे, सब कुछ कर लेंगे. द डे वन व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड द हॉस्टल, वी वर डूइंग द क्लीनिंग, वी वर मेकिंग द बेड्स, वी वर होस्टिंग पीपल, वी आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ चेक इन चेक आउट, सब कुछ हम कर रहे थे. ऑल्सो हमारे पास स्टाफ नहीं था वो टाइम पे, बट इवेंचुअली हमें लगा कि हम कर लेंगे, क्या दिक्कत है. बट जब व्हेन वी थॉट अबाउट द बिगर पिक्चर, वी कैन नॉट डू लाइक दिस, वी हैव टू हैव समवन, इवेंचुअली एक टीम खड़ा करना पड़ेगा हमें. सो देन ऑपरेशनल चैलेंजेस वेरी बेसिक, वेरी रूकी मिस्टेक्स विच वी डिड इनिशियली कि सब हम कर लेंगे. दैट इज इन अ बिजनेस यू शुडंट डू दैट. कि अगर इफ यू आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग, आप ही अगर सब कुछ कर रहे हो तो यू वोंट गेट इनफ टाइम टू एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ अच्छे से.
And honestly, our system is still not at all perfect. We are still developing. It's every day is a learning. We definitely learn something new every single day that we're here. We are constantly improving on that. धीरे धीरे better हो रहा है. We do something, try it out, trial and error से ही हो रहा है improvement धीरे धीरे. So yeah, that's where we're at.
Break even और sustainability कितना realistic होता है versus on ground reality?
Yeah, actually, since coming me from MBA background, I had whatever I learned, I had to make it into picture. And since we both made a lot of notes, हम research जो कर रहे थे, our research was around 6 months. 6 month extensive research, because हम हमारा पैसा लगा रहे. The money which we are investing, it's coming from us. Nobody is investing anything. There is no loan. There is nothing towards it. तो वो जो 6 महीने का research था, for us, luckily, it was on the mark. रिसर्च इतना बढ़िया था कि when we actually put the numbers into the picture
After a year, we जो हमने सोचा था कि हम रफली 11 से 14 महीने में ब्रेक इवन कर लेने चाहिए, we did that. Why? Because our research was very good. तो luckily it went good for us. But हाँ, break even was on point. मतलब हमने जैसा सोचा था वैसा, we are very happy for that. अच्छा.
अगर कल अनपैक हॉस्टल को स्केल करना हो, सबसे पहले किस प्रोसेस को रेप्लिकेट करोगे?
The research that he said.
हाँ, so
Because
yeah.
जितना वो रिसर्च स्ट्रॉन्ग था, जितना पक्का रिसर्च था ना, वी रियलाइज लेटर उस टाइम पे इट फेल्ट वेरी एक्सटेंसिव, इट फेल्ट लाइक वी आर ओवर डूइंग इट, वेदर इतना ज़रूरत है या नहीं. बट लेटर वी रियलाइज दैट रिसर्च हेल्प्ड अस गेट वेयर वी वांटेड टू गेट. सो डेफिनेटली जहाँ मतलब इफ़ वी आर ओपनिंग अ न्यू प्रॉपर्टी, इट हैज़ टू बी this well researched to be able to get to where we are in this property.
Correct.
When you imagined this hostel, what was the atmosphere you wanted travelers to feel?
Yeah.
No, so what we wanted to do is something we are very thankful to see in our reviews. Almost every single review mentions it, is to give a homely atmosphere. The word homely, right? A lot of people come and tell us that यार ऐसे लग रहा है किसी दोस्त के घर आए,
कि भाई के घर.
हाँ, या कोई बोलता है कि ऐसे लग रहा है कजिन्स के साथ बैठे, किसी नानी के घर पे बैठे कजिन्स के साथ, राइट? सो इट्स लाइक दैट. सो दैट होमली एटमॉस्फेयर इज व्हाट वी रियली वांटेड टू गिव हियर. जैसे every single evening, whether weekday, weekend, on season, off season, जो भी हो, we are here at the rooftop at 10 p.m. every evening. We invite all the people from the hostel to come upstairs, just hang out, chit chat, play some games for breaking the ice, just hang out, right? Some days we are playing music, some days we are playing games, some days we're just talking, but usme bhi everyone gets to know each other.
Correct.
एक homely सा vibe, एक comfortable सा friend group वाला vibe create हो जाता है, which is just what
And this is what we dreamt of. The rooftop was the main idea. बाकी eventually everything fall into the picture, but ये environment create करना था हमें.
That's amazing.
Thank you so much.
You won the Best Hostel Award in Pondicherry 2024 by Make My Trip. What was the struggle and whole journey behind it?
Getting the recognition from Make My Trip is amazing, of course, feels crazy. But that was never the goal or the reason why we are doing this. We just wanted to give a very comfortable environment, provide an experience basically. जो आ रहा है Unpack Hostel, they should be able to tell their friends कि oh पौंडीचेरी जा रहे हो अनपैक हॉस्टल, दैट्स वेयर यू नीड टू गो. वो एक एक्सपीरियंस क्रिएट करना. एवरी सोलो ट्रैवलर और फीमेल ट्रैवलर्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी कि फीमेल ट्रैवलर्स को कंफर्टेबल फील हो. वेन एवर देर इज़ अ फीमेल चेकिंग इन, दे सी, आई टॉक टू देम, आई वॉन्ट टू मेक श्योर कि अगर उनके कोई कंसर्न्स हो वो एड्रेस हो, और एवरीवन एक्चुअली. तो वो एक एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करना, एक कंफर्ट क्रिएट करना, एक वाइब क्रिएट करना. सो दैट लेड टू पीपल लीविंग देयर रिव्यूज, दैट लेड टू पीपल टेलिंग अदर पीपल अबाउट इट, which slowly led to an organic growth which resulted in getting this award. So that was never the point of it, but it's a very happy coincidence, or can I say very happy product of what we have been trying to do over here.
Okay. Every hostel feels different. What's the Unpack signature vibe? What's the...
So हम जब होस्ट करते हैं, आई गेस व्हाट सेट्स अस अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल दी अदर हॉस्टल्स इज, हम जितने हॉस्टल्स में पहले रुकने गए, वी हैव 80% ऑफ द टाइम वी हैव नेवर चिल्ड विद द ओनर्स इटसेल्फ. जो प्रॉपर्टी जिन्होंने स्टार्ट करी है, वर देयर फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट एट द प्रॉपर्टी एंड डूइंग द सेम थिंग एवरी सिंगल टाइम. व्हाट सेट्स अस अपार्ट इज कि वी call people from wherever they are at the dorm. If they are after 10:30, they come at the rooftop, chill karo, बैठो, because everybody is hesitant to talk कि मैं, how should I initiate the talk? So I guess we cover that gap for everyone, and that leads everybody to talk to each other. And सब एक, अब आप भी अगर जा रहे हो घूमने, तो you are going for a vacation, you are going to free up your mind. हम तो होस्ट कर रहे, इट इज़ आवर बिजनेस, बट फॉर द ट्रैवलर्स जो घूमने आ रहे हैं, दे आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग कि जिससे उनको शांति मिले, दे फील हैप्पी, दे फील गुड. when will you feel good? When you talk to a random stranger and burn out everything what you have in you. So that we do.
एक और चीज़ इज बिकॉज वी हैव, हम खुद ट्रैवलर्स, हम खुद ट्रैवल कर चुके हैं, काफ़ी हॉस्टल्स में रह चुके हैं, एंड वी हैव एक्सपीरियंस दैट. सो एवरी सिंगल थिंग वी हैव बिल्ट हियर हैज़ कम फ्रॉम आवर ओन एक्सपीरियंस. जो हमें लगा कहीं some places done it well, definitely why not learn from them. If something we have found missing in certain places, why not try to improve that? Something which we would have liked to have in other hostels, we try to provide it here.
That's amazing.
Thank you so much.
How do you see backpacker culture in India evolved in past 5 years? What is the difference between a tourist and a traveler?
So backpacking culture has shooted up before COVID. COVID के पहले there were travelers, there were Indian travelers who were traveling alone, but specifically what our data says in this hostel, मैं वो बताया, and it will be applicable for mostly other hostels. COVID के बाद a lot of female solo travelers have started traveling. I guess our female dorm was mostly full all the weekends, and generally कोई random weekdays पे भी our female dorm was full.
How safe is like solo traveling for a woman in India?
Honestly, I started solo traveling after COVID, like you said, right? एक misconception है ये that it is very unsafe, या लोगों के parents allow नहीं करते हैं, उनके मतलब everybody is hesitant about it, right? And I feel like hostels have a very major role to play in this. जब आप कोई hostel जा रहे हो, most of them, I cannot speak for all of them, but most of the hostels, they are a community driven space, right? It's meant to be for making people safe. Everybody is in the same boat. सब उसी पर्पस से आए, सब उसी मतलब एक्सप्लोर करने आए, सिटी एक्सप्लोर करने आए हैं, लोग दूसरे लोगों से मिलने आए हैं. सो आई फील लाइक एज अ फीमेल, hostel is what I would choose whenever I'm traveling solo. even if it is nothing, just chilling in the common areas, finding maybe other solo female travelers, which is the most important part of it, right? Finding other solo female travelers. यहाँ हमारे हॉस्टल में ही हुआ है. There have been multiple occasions जहाँ पे हमारा एक 6-bed female dorm है. So there have been multiple occasions where 6 different solo female travelers have stayed in that dorm, met each other, realized that they're there for the same kind of travel, to look at the same things, got together, explored Pondicherry together, become friends and stayed friends later. Yeah.
So it is safe until and unless you have to just take correct measures. ऐसा every
For
time.
sure.
हाँ, so that is there. It is mostly places in India. If you're a female, if you want to travel alone, you can. You have to have your everything a little bit. थोड़ा ध्यान से, cautious, little bit. That's it. If you're a little bit cautious, even for a man or a woman, for both it is important. You have to just be a little bit cautious about what food are you eating, where are you staying, where are you going to travel. It's a random जगह पे कहीं पे भी if you go, it's a little bit. हाँ.
And एक ये होता है, right? So mostly, I mean, मेरा ये experience रहा है, and मैंने काफ़ी लोगों से यहाँ सुना भी है, where there's a solo female and they want to travel, they want to go to a certain place, probably. Yeah, there's a solo female, they want to travel to a certain place, they ask their friends around, maybe their friends are not available, free, busy, occupied with something, they still want to go there, but they're hesitating because अकेले कैसे जाए, है ना? So that has been the route of solo travel for me and for a lot of solo females I've met here. अब आप कोई hostel जाओ, you meet other girls who are traveling solo over there. You go out with them, you feel safer, you are more, things open up for you as well. आपको रात को वापस कैब में अकेले नहीं आना है, you're with someone, it's just much more comfortable that way. So hostels give you that as well.
समझी. तो मतलब जैसे आपने जैसे सोलो ट्रैवलिंग स्टार्ट किया बिफोर यू मेट रौनक, तो लाइक हाउ डिड यू रिसर्च अबाउट व्हिच वेबसाइट यू यूज्ड टू प्रेफर, लाइक कि वहां से आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता था कि दिस प्लेस इज सेफ एंड आई कैन go to this.
So
Can you suggest any good websites? Like
honestly, it's a funny answer, but I'm an Instagram person. Because Instagram पे लोग अपना experience share करते हैं, right? Websites पे भी definitely reviews वगैरह होता है, but Instagram just feels more real to me.
Okay.
I don't know, it feels like people are actually talking about their personal experience, and that is what has helped me plan things. Plan things is other finding things that you won't find in other places, offbeat places, travel related things. So yeah, I'm an Instagram person.
Okay.
That.
Can you share your first solo travel journey?
So
How did you, being a girl, being a woman in India, how did you think about that? Like, what was your first step? जब आपके mind में आया कि I want to do solo travel. How did you break that barrier?
One thing that helped me, which is also how I met Raunak, right? So that helped me was there are certain groups where you can go as a solo traveler. They put together a small group, not very large travel companies. I'm talking about people who like to travel and do it as a passion. Put together groups of solo travelers, 10 to 12 people, take them along on trips, plan it out. You leave the planning to them, you leave everything to them, you just go solo. You meet people there, you can talk to them, you're with the same people throughout the trip, so it's a better chance to connect. Because before solo traveling, I was a little bit on the shyer side in this context, where I was not very comfortable approaching someone to talk to them. But when you're with the same people for a few days, it makes it easier. So certain groups where you can go as a solo traveler along with a group of strangers, explore, you talk to people. If you feel like, don't talk. If you don't feel like, right, you have the option always. So that I feel like is a good.
Supportive?
For sure. My family is the most supportive family I can imagine, right? So this makes it safer because it's completely planned out. You can send your family the itinerary, they'll give it to you, the name of the hotels you're staying at, पूरा का पूरा वो बना के दे देंगे. It was exactly this. I approached a random company, random group that takes travels from Mumbai.
Through Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay.
Approach them, land it out, let them take care of the planning part, just went along for it. So that was how I did my first solo trip, and that is also how I did the solo trip where I met Ronak. Right.
This is a very nice way for a female, if you're asking just for female, to start traveling alone. If you're traveling alone, don't go just all alone. See, this is a right approach कि आप एक person को देखो जो एक group को host कर रहा है, where you find multiple people, but also there is a sense of responsibility वो person में कि yeah, he'll take care or she will take care of that whole occasion or the whole trip. So yeah, that's there.
You as a solo traveler, you've been in so many places. If a girl sitting in a small town in India, she aspired to do solo traveling, but unke parents are not supportive, what are the safety measurements and what are the steps she should choose?
The first thing I want to say is be brave, go for it, do it. I mean, it's a crazy world out there. There's so much to see. There's places that look too good to be true, and why should you miss out on that just because आप फीमेल हो? आपको डरना नहीं चाहिए इस चीज़ से. There are safety measures definitely that you need to take. Book your stays carefully, carry your pepper spray, make sure that you plan it out in a way that I mean, it's well, you speak to people, right? The generally hostels जहाँ होते हैं वहाँ के owners भी आपको या जो वहाँ रहते हैं, they can also guide you on things to do and stuff, but just plan it out, book your stays carefully, I would say. One suggestion is definitely to do something like a solo with a stranger group, which is a good plan because they give you they give you a planned out itinerary about a place that you don't know. आप अपने parents को वो itinerary दे सकते हो. They know where you're going to be. You are going solo. You're still going solo, but they know where you're going to be. They have an extra point of contact that they have. So you're not extremely solo just out in the world. You are getting the experience of traveling solo while also having some things planned out for you. So I think that's a very good way to start solo traveling. More than that, I would say it's extremely freeing. It's जब आप लोगों से मिलते हो, right, you never know someone's story until you speak to them. You can never guess someone's story until you actually have a conversation with them. So I would say it's not just a fun thing to do, I think it's very important to do. Get out into the world, meet people, do travel in the way that you want to travel, not just in the way that आप group में जाते हो, that's a different experience. आप family के साथ जाते हो, that's a different experience. But when you travel solo, that's when you learn more about yourself. You learn to enjoy your own company. So I think it's extremely important for solo females to do that.
Okay. That's a great answer. To Ronak, I want to ask, इस business में कितना investment लगा and कितना profit है? And what is your ROI?
So, talking about money, so we invested whatever money we had with us. I guess when we started 21st December 2023, I was left with 3,000 rupees in my bank balance. बस उतना ही था मेरे पास पैसा. If अगर ये नहीं चलता तो I had to go back to corporate or figure something out, go back to home. So we have around 30 beds with us right now. We started with 26, now there are 30 beds. So as far as money goes, we invested roughly around, I cannot give you the exact numbers क्योंकि अभी मेरे को भी याद नहीं, it's been 2 years, but 25 to 30 lakh के around, it's between 25 to 30 lakh, and which includes everything, the lease, blah blah blah, whatever money you take into it. But return on investment, as I said, that what kind of return of investment you are expecting, ki are you taking salary? So we started drawing salaries when we started 5-6 months mein. So after 5 months we started taking money from the business as our salary. So eventually the ROI became a little bit delayed because we were also taking our expenses. So that was around 14 to 16 months ke beech mein.
So it was a bootstrap business, or you took investment from VCs?
No. It is completely bootstrapped. There is no pressure of anyone.
Honestly, I like saying this. It's every single thing we put in, everything that we had in terms of time, money, and effort. Everything, it's here.
Wow, that's so inspiring. And I also want to ask, you had your own startup, street startup. before.
Correct.
But आप पैरेलली उस टाइम जॉब में थे. But when you thought of Unpack, you quit your job completely.
Yes.
तो वो strong decision कैसे लिया आपने?
Correct. So, firstly, all the other startups, all the other businesses which I did specifically were only about money. कि पैसा कमाना है. अगर 1 रुपया डाल रहे तो 2 रुपया मिलना चाहिए. Every small startups were based on that mindset. I guess this was the only business which was grown by the idea first, then everything, and then money came along. So it was never in my mind कि इसको तोड़ना है या इसको कैसे. This business is firstly to कैसे, how should I explain it? So this is the only business where I'm doing it by my heart. Money is following it. तो जब भी आप कह रहे हो कि जब जॉब छोड़नी थी, I was very hesitant कि जॉब छोड़नी है, कैसे जॉब छोड़ू, because from the next day I am not going to make any money. And हम सोच रहे थे कि मेरे जॉब छोड़ने के 2 महीने बाद we'll start the hostel. But मैंने जॉब कब छोड़ी? September. So I left my job in September. October, November तक we should have started. But November को
Almost the end of December.
And we started almost end of. So my money was running out. But then eventually I thought कि ये जो idea है of getting people together and sharing the experiences which we have had in our travel, that should happen. And कभी मैंने जॉब जब छोड़ी, I was like कि अब है जो यही है. अब there is no looking back now, and there was no plan B.
Yeah.
No plan B. मैंने multiple जगह सुना है कि you should always have a plan B. कुछ बोलते हैं कि एक ही plan रखो, but I was always the guy कि अब ये कर रहे तो कर रहे. There is no looking back. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, we'll see what we can do. Yeah, but it was.
तो ये inspiration कहाँ से आया आपको? Like how you found your ikigai, the purpose. You found your purpose. I want to know, you shared me about the Serenity Beach में आप गए थे, वो mentor से मिले थे.
हाँ, ठीक. So it was Pondicherry that inspired us, honestly. The first day, I'll share a story. The first day we arrived here in Pondi, the two of us together, we went surfing. At Serenity Beach, we went surfing there. We met an instructor who teaches surfing there, and he has been surfing for a long time. His daily routine, this is what it looks like. Every single morning he wakes up, he goes surfing. If there are clients, right, he'll teach them. If there are customers, he'll teach them. If not, he will surf. In the afternoon, he has a small workout setup, so he does his workouts. In the evening, again he goes surfing. Again, if there are people, he'll teach them. If not, he surfs. So he has a small house by the beach. Every single day, this is his routine. He has a beautiful clean lifestyle. He enjoys what he does. उनका passion है ये, and we could sense this the moment we walked into his house there. We reached there. He offered us, मुझे आज भी याद है इस बात को, almost 3 साल हो गए, but he offered us muskmelon juice. ठीक है, and उनसे पहली बार जब बात किया ना, we could see he loves what he does. It's a very simple lifestyle that he has. वो अपना दिन उनका चलता है बस. Every single day he goes for surfing competitions and other things, everything related to his passion. तो वो इतना passionately वो कर सकते हैं. उस दिन we kind of realized that जब आपका passion आपका daily lifestyle बन सकता है, and like you can have a very happy life doing that. It might not make you the fancy amounts of money that corporate jobs do or a certain job might do, but जो हैप्पीनेस उनके फेस पे दिखता है, यू कैन सेंस इट व्हेन यू स्पीक टू हिम. सो दैट, मतलब जब भी हमें ये आइडिया आया हॉस्टल ओपन करने का, इट वाज लाइक आई टोल्ड यू अ वेरी रैंडम आइडिया. वी डिड नॉट पुट टू मच थॉट इनटू इट इनिशियली, बट जैसे वो आइडिया आया, इट फेल्ट लाइक यार ये करने में मज़ा आएगा, ये कर सकते हैं, ये ऑन अ डेली बेसिस वी बोथ विल एंजॉय डूइंग दिस. वी फेल्ट लाइक वील बी गुड एट इट, बट वी डिड नॉट नो दैट फॉर अ फैक्ट, बट वी न्यू फॉर अ फैक्ट दैट वी विल एंजॉय इट जैसा भी हो. सो दैट्स वेयर इट केम फ्रॉम.
जैसे आपने शेयर किया था मुझे कि रिसेंटली यू बीन टू नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड व्हेन यू थॉट दैट वी हैव टू गो बैक नाउ सो यू टोल्ड मी लाइक देयर वाज नो टेंशन इन द ब्रेन लाइक आई हैव टू गो एंड वर्क इन द सिस्टम.
Correct. So every single time vacation होता है, vacation से वापस जाते when you are, you know, I actually saw a post on that today. I actually saw a post on that today where it spoke about the cab ride back to the airport at the end of a vacation where you are just regretting that अरे कल से ऑफिस जाना है, कल से ये करना है, कल हम जब अभी just 2 weeks ago हम एक ट्रिप से लौट रहे थे एंड while coming back we were यार अभी हमारा कल से we can go back to the hostel, कल से we'll host people again, कल से मतलब हमारा reality itself हमने exciting बनाया which I think is one of the biggest things we have achieved for us personally.
Correct.
What's the toughest decision you had to make together?
Like always, I think I'm saying this for the first time कि we need to always share our spaces now wherever we are, because if we are at the hostel present everywhere, all the common areas में we are present all the time, but it is also our personal space. We are sharing that with people. That is one of the toughest things. जब भी हम trip पे जाते हैं, we stay all alone, we stay all chill. But whenever we come back, like sharing both of our personal spaces with everyone, that is मुझे लग रहा है कि it works.
It is.
How you share your responsibilities? How your strengths differ?
So
तू बता.
So हमारे strengths बहुत ही ज़्यादा अलग है.
हाँ जी.
Extremely different. So while opening this, there's a part to it while opening, before opening it and after we opened it, right? So before opening this, I could see the vision for it. I knew exactly how I wanted this place to look. हम यहाँ पे जैसे हमने ये प्रॉपर्टी देखा, आई कुड इमेजिन एज अ हॉस्टल मुझे कहाँ पहुँचाना था इसे, बट रौनक कुड सी द एग्जीक्यूशन पार्ट ऑफ इट विच आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. सो ही वॉज एबल टू सी द एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ इट कि ये कहाँ से सोर्स कर सकते हैं, वेयर विल बी, हाउ डू वी गेट द बेस्ट डील्स फॉर अ सर्टेन थिंग, कितना रिसर्च उसमें लगना चाहिए, कितने, जैसे एक टैप खरीदने के लिए हम 4 अलग अलग दुकान गए बिकॉज इट्स अ न्यू सिटी फॉर अस, राइट? सो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि कोई हमें चीट ना कर रहा हो. सो टू मेक श्योर ऑफ दैट he knows where you need to how you need to talk to people to make sure that they aren't cheating you, how you need to do your research well so you are informed enough to make a good decision. So that part actually came in very handy while setting up. Now if I talk about at the hostel, Ronak is, both of us love hosting, but again there are certain people I relate with, there are certain people he relates with, right? He is very good at talking to foreigner guests. People love whenever we have international guests, they are very comfortable with him. The hosting part aside, if I talk about the day-to-day operations part of it, I cannot remember numbers in my head, which he is crazy good at, right? So it's very useful to us to have complementary but different strengths because it comes in very handy. What I don't know, he does amazing. What he does amazing, I really can't do. Oh, I said the same thing twice.
So disagreements are inevitable. How you resolve your conflicts as a partner?
I would say I know we both respect the fact that the other person is good at what they do. They know what they're doing. When Ronak is telling me something that, for example, give me a second, sorry.
So basically मैं जब भी इसे कुछ बताता हूँ, for example, I tell her that कि ये चीज़ यहीं से ही आनी चाहिए. She never questions it because she knows that I have made that research. I have invested enough amount of time to say that कि ये यहाँ से आ रहा है. And when she comes in the designing part, जैसे ये छत है हमारा, ऐसे anything where you see at the property, bed design, anything, I never question her. मेरे को बस ये ध्यान रखना है कि where to source it from. मैं इसको ये नहीं बोलता कि अरे इसको नीचे से करते हैं फिर let's do it a little bit bigger or small. I never question that. So designing, most of the creative side, she takes care of it and I don't question it. And she makes sure that कि what pricing I am bringing in for that thing to happen, it actually she never questions it. That is the mutual. कभी कभी disagreements होते हैं बीच में कि when she tells me कि नहीं ऐसा होना चाहिए, तो I explain her. So कभी समझते कभी नहीं समझते, that's there all
But
the time.
yeah, I think it's the fact that we respect the fact कि दूसरा भी सोच समझ के तब बता रहा है ना?
हाँ, एंड द बिगर थिंग इज कि हम दोनों ये डिसएग्रीमेंट कर क्यों रहे, ये प्रॉपर्टी को और बेटर बनाने के लिए, ये अनपैक हॉस्टल को टू मेक इट बेटर. सो द अल्टीमेट गोल इज सेम कि हम कुछ बड़ा ही करना चाह रहे हैं एंड वी आर डूइंग इट फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ इट. तो जो डिसएग्रीमेंट्स है वो क्यों है, ये इसको अच्छा करने के लिए. तो दैट्स देयर एट द एंड, वो है कि वी आर फाइटिंग बिकॉज वी वांट टू मेक दिस प्लेस बेटर एंड बेटर.
So the clear vision, proper communication, mutual respect makes it more, you know.
Yes, yes, yes.
You put it so well that you put it really well. You put it better than we could.
Can you share one struggle part while building this property?
So initially, while setting up, not just one, there were a lot of struggles. We were misguided by certain people. We had to figure it out, like the process of licensing. We did not know which offices we needed to approach. We were sent to wrong agents. After that, at a certain point, we almost finalized one property. It was done. We said, okay, done. We flew back to Mumbai. It fell through at the last moment. So actually, coming back with a fresh mind, starting from square one, that was one big struggle there. Apart from that, there have been, because we were building this ourselves from the scratch, we had to do a lot of things here on our own. I have done all of the paintings at the property. Ronak has been an electrician here, he has been a carpenter here, he's been a plumber here, he's done everything over here, right? So we know the in and out of this property.
Before we were starting this property, I think we forgot this. I was doing my job, she was doing her job, and also we were looking for places. तो morning my meetings, we get lunch break. Lunch break में हम स्कूटी निकाल के हम 2-3 प्रॉपर्टीज देखने जाते थे. एंड जैसे ही 2-3 प्रॉपर्टीज देखे, कुछ बात किया, मीटिंग्स आई कॉल किया कि यू ऑलवेज हैव टू बी अवेलेबल एट ऑफिस बिकॉज that thing is paying you, and also you are working for something which you are looking forward to. So to manage a gap between, there was a thin margin of time which we had, and we used to do everything in that was like दिन रात हम यही करते थे, क्योंकि at night we used to prepare कि कल ये जगह जाना है, ये रिसर्च करना है, but morning meetings, her meetings, my meetings, it was lot of back and forth, but every minute was countable during that time.
कभी लगा कि लैंग्वेज एक बैरियर है?
So I speak Tamil, not very well because I did not grow up in Tamil Nadu, but I can speak Tamil. So the little bit of Tamil I knew was very helpful over here, and it's got much better since I've been here for sure. But एक ये था कि being not the language specifically, but just being an outsider, being not from the city, we had to figure things out from the scratch. So that was the issue more of, it was not the language, it was the not being from Pondicherry or not knowing anyone or anything in Pondicherry. So धीरे धीरे figure out किया हमने, जो भी सीखा है we have learned throughout the duration of the last 2 years. It was not like we knew everything before we started. Slowly it's been a learning curve.
Okay. तो कभी आपको लगा कि you should seek a mentorship from the people who have already done this?
Interesting question, because ये फील्ड में ना, so every hostel you travel to, it's a different experience. We don't know कि हम जिससे mentorship ले रहे हैं, he or she will be guiding us in a way where they are doing it, but हमारा mindset अलग होगा, हमको कुछ और करना रहेगा. तो getting a mentorship in this field is very difficult, क्योंकि जो सब कर रहे हैं it's very different. It's not like a proper hotel chain, it's like a hostel. तो जो सब कर रहे हैं, they are doing best in their field, we are doing good in our field, in our hostel. So getting a mentorship, we never thought about it. Firstly, we never thought about it कि एक mentor होना चाहिए जो हमें guide करे throughout the process. We were there for each other all the time, so we were handling our own ups and downs together.
It was a process because it's very something our journey was very unique. So there were certain points where I was doubting it, Ronak was there to support at that time, certain times when he was doubting it, when I had to support at that time. Definitely we had mentorship in things like the business part of it, just the setting up initial from our family and parents and stuff, but everything that we did here was extremely unique to the space, so it was just the two of us trying to figure things out step at a time.
Correct.
What's your vision in expanding this business?
So, Unpack Hostel as a brand. So, the reason for choosing a very simple name, I know it came up in a it came up in a flick ki aise hi Unpack, but it's a very unique name for us right now. And where we look Unpack going forward is having multiple properties, not many. We right now, as what we are discussing, we don't want to become a chain. इतना बड़ा चेन नहीं बनना, बिकॉज देन व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज कि लोकल हॉस्टल का वाइब रहना चाहिए, बट देन वी आर टारगेटिंग टू बी अ चेन. इट वुड बी एन इनजस्टिस टू दैट पॉइंट. वी वांट टू हैव कपल ऑफ हॉस्टल्स like roughly around 3-4.
And when 3-4, when we're talking about 3 or 4 hostels, we want it to be in such a way that whenever you visit any of those cities where there is an Unpack hostel, you know there is a home there. You know you're going to get that vibe there. Any of the Unpack hostels you go, you know you will be getting that vibe there. So we will not be moving very fast or very like speeding through it, but we want to make sure to maintain that in 3 to 4 good places, and that's it.
Correct.
Okay. So from hosting your first guest till crossing your more than 6,000 guests, how as a host you have evolved?
So honestly, it started from zero. So a lot.
We had no experience from having.
It's good. So I'll share one thing here. Initially, when I have traveled before the hostel was open, I used to go to the common areas, sit in a corner. Maybe I'm using my phone, doing something on my phone. I want to talk to people. I want to interact with them, but I'm hesitating a little bit, feeling a little bit shy. So that is one thing that we try to avoid over here, which I'm drawing from my own experience. If someone is coming to the rooftop, we'll try to involve them in a game or some activity, whatever we're doing. We'll ask them or we'll just talk to them. If they are interested, I mean, of course, it's everyone's choice. Everybody has their way of vacationing, right? But if someone is interested in interacting or in meeting people, we make sure to facilitate that. So that is something which we have learnt doing, and now it kind of comes naturally. You see someone sitting there, either of us, if we see someone sitting alone, using their phone at the rooftop, we'll go talk to them, chit chat with them. It's very simple to start with, hi, what do you do? Right?
Correct.
It's very simple to start with that. It's very comes naturally to us now a little bit.
Now it is very natural to us. We can host properly. Eventually, we are thinking how to speak to a person to we know how to do it now.
The first guest when he was here, we were just all over the place. अच्छा check-in देखना है, ये देखना है, rules बताने, bed बताना, बात करना, क्या बात करें, कैसे बात करें. So all of that, from that coming to this point जहाँ हम किसी से भी comfortably बात कर पा रहे हैं and उनको comfortable feel कर पा रहे हैं, more than हमारा comfort, उनको comfortable feel कर पा रहे हैं. That is a huge deal for us.
Can you share best and worst guest story?
So I guess we will never forget our first guest. That was the best guest we had. The story which is, see, imagine for a business, आपका जो पहला guest है वो आपके यहाँ पे 1 महीना रुक के जा रहा है. So nobody does that because there were no reviews at our property. So we have a very good connection with him. We are still in touch with that person. बहुत अच्छा आदमी है, and we remember him because he is our one of the best guests. Where he made us helped in this journey. क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में he was there for a month. So he had a very good experience in traveling to hostels. So मैं बता रहा था कि भाई ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे करो. Do this, don't do that. You're doing too much. इतना मत करो. And worst. See, in every hostel, जितने भी rules है property के, house rules जैसे हम बोलते हैं, are there for 1% of the person who are visiting the hostel, जो they try to make the situation little bit worse. So one of the experiences which I would share is a basic सब हॉस्टल में रूल होता है कि यू क्लियर अप आफ्टर योर सेल्फ. सो वट एवर मेस यू आर मेकिंग, इफ यू आर ड्रिंकिंग एट द रूफटॉप, you make sure you clear your glass, go down. If you are eating, you make sure you put it at the dustbin. That is basic civic sense, what you should do if you are traveling to a hostel, because it's a shared space. सब एक दूसरे के साथ रहते हैं. आप भी जाते हो तो you know कि there is a mess you have made, you clear it up and go. There were a group of 4 or 5 guys, they were not clearing it up. मैंने उनको बोला कि you should clear it up, but they didn't do it. So it was almost we engaged on a fight, but somehow we managed it not to do it.
The situation a little bit, but yeah.
Correct.
Got heated up a little bit, but yeah, it's just when you're traveling to a shared space, respect the fact that it's a shared space. Then it's not an issue, but it's for the 1% of people who are still not used to that.
Correct.
Whenever you face any financial crisis, how do you cope up with that?
We do it. It's very basic. Abhi, for example, if one fan or couple of things are not working at the property, I will not call an electrician because I know that is going to cost me roughly around 3,000 rupees, and that is what we can't afford. So I do it. We kept learning. We kept learning at every phase. For example, any painting work needs to be done. Be it basic, say white paint mano, we do it. We don't take it up to someone because what we are doing, हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. As in certain, and then we wait for some time. अगर हमें कुछ करना है, for example, our first floor, you have seen our first floor common area. That was not there. We made it after 7 months when we started the property. तो जब भी पैसे आए, we reinvested. पैसे आए, we took it very slow. हमने इतना हैवी अमाउंट एक साथ लोड किया ही नहीं. वी डिड इट पार्ट बाय पार्ट. जितना पैसा है डालो, जितना पैसा है डालो. वी नेवर टुक स्ट्रेस अबाउट मनी एज फार एज कि वी न्यू कि व्हाट वी आर ऑफरिंग टू द गेस्ट. हमें पता है हम क्या दे रहे हैं, तो वी आर फाइन विद इट.
Amazing. So let's move towards the final part, which is rapid fire question.
चलो.
Let's go.
Tea or coffee?
Tea.
I like coffee.
Tea. It's always
Pondy
tea.
sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Sunrise.
Profit या peace?
Peace.
Peace.
Sunrise beach walk or late night terrace walking?
Sunrise
Late night
beach walk.
terrace.
One word to describe Unpack Hostel.
तू बोल पहले.
Homely.
Backpacker or slow traveler?
Slow traveler.
Slow traveler.
Earliest check-in or latest check-out you are ever allowed?
Late checkout.
Earliest check-in or late check-out you have ever allowed?
Late check out.
Late.
Okay. Beach or cafe hoppings?
Beach.
Beach.
One item every traveler forgets to carry.
Photo
Earplugs.
Quiet night or full house chaos?
Full house chaos.
Both, if I can say.
Two full chaos a week. 5 chill.
Travel stories or travel photos?
Travel stories.
Risk या comfort?
Risk.
Okay. So that's the rapid fire with
Arey.
Ronak and Kavya.
That was fun. That was nice.
Unpack Hostel stands out as a great example that great businesses not just build on ideas, but they are built on alignment, trust, and shared courages. Ronak and Kavya didn't just build a hostel; they are built a partnership that turned uncertainty into opportunity. Thank you both for unpacking your journey with us.
Thank you
for
so much.
having
That
us.
was so much
It was
fun.
great.
That was so nice. It was so fun.
Nice.